Welcome to MindScape, where we unlock the best ways to earn online. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and join thousands learning how to build income online every week. Making money online in 2025 has never been easier. You don't need a degree, advanced skills, or big startup capital. Today, I'll show you simple methods you can start right now. And yes, some of them can make you $100 a day. With platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, you can offer services like blog writing, video editing, or graphic design. Affiliate marketing means promoting products and earning commissions. Sign up for free affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Share links on social media, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Digital products like ebooks, templates, or stock images can be created once and sold over and over. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make this simple. Imagine selling a If you know basic skills, even English, math, or computer basics, you can teach online. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, and Skillshare for absolute beginners. Micro-task platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Clickworker pay for small tasks like surveys, testing apps, or watching ads. It's not glamorous, but remember, the goal isn't to get rich overnight. But with consistency, these simple side hustles can grow into a steady $100 a day or more. Start small, stay consistent, and scale up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join the MindScape community. Your online income journey starts here.